everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Homecoming from the 12th to the 15th of January 2026 on Monday. Zethu finds her first day hard and isn't sure how to deal with the only familiar face while Mankwanyane freezes over. Ngaraje returns to work and meets walls of resistance on Tuesday. Ngaraje tries to get Mashabalala to forgive Zethu while Mankwanyane lets loose and takes off her makoti hat. Nomfundo Nomalanga begins to spend money that isn't theirs on Wednesday. Zethu lets her defenses down and Shobane pronounces Mankwanyane continues to put pressure on Sifiso and he realizes he's losing her. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.